feel like a new woman. Mom, that would be embarrassing. Yay! She's beauty, she's grace, she's Miss United States. No, I'm kidding, she's tofu. Oh wow, what a good boy. Good morning everyone. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome to my channel. Today's video we are doing a college week in my life vlog. Welcome. Today's Monday. This morning, or I guess last night, I spilled water all over everything. So I'm really hungry. I'll show you guys my outfit really quickly. It's only like 104 today. It's the coolest day of the week, so I was like, I'm gonna wear jeans. I got these jeans from Abercrombie. I feel I think I showed you guys in one of these videos, but I definitely think it's going to be very hot in this outfit, but I'm like, I want to wear it. Also, my hair has a ton of dry shampoo, so if you're like, what's going on? That's what's going on. But I think I'm gonna go downstairs. Oh, also, sorry, Zara, Abercrombie, and Fitch. And then all my necklaces are, I should put earrings in. We have entered the bathroom. You are sitting on a roll of toilet paper. I hope that makes you feel special. Should I do my fun earrings? Or do you think that's too like, is that too like going to a bar? I'll do it. Should I put a ring on too? You know what? We're going all out. The way that I'm squatting right next to my toilet to talk to people, who would have thought that I'd be literally talking to a toilet and then that'd be like going into the world. These earrings, look at them. Look at it. Do you know that one like little kid like sounds like, look at it. They're from Greece. My mom's friend went to Greece when I was in elementary school, got me and my sister these earrings, and I'm just now becoming obsessed with them. Almost a decade later. The coins, do you know what I mean? In Greece, I don't know what they're called. Does anyone know what they're called? I think I know what they're called, but I don't want to say it and be wrong. That would be embarrassing. And then I think I'm gonna put a ring on. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. From Amazon. Nope. Wait, should we do my middle finger? Yeah. I'm feeling kind of hungry, so we're gonna go downstairs and get some food. We're going downstairs. My legs are so sore. But last week I bought a new camera, so that's coming today. And then on Friday I'm picking up my new iPhone. Last week was expensive. This week I'm reaping the rewards. So recently I've been obsessed with getting chais. I try not to get it every day. I get it maybe once a week, and I've been obsessed with it. And every single day I'm like, do I get it? And then I'm like, no. So I thought that I would make some at home. This is the skinny one. It was cheaper. It was a whole $1 cheaper, but it's the brand that Starbucks uses, and I thought that we would just try to make it. It smells like chai because it is. So I'm just gonna do half and half. And then I also have almond milk. I'm not an oat milk girl. I think oat milk is like watery. I don't know. Am I offending anyone out there? Oh, isn't almond milk really bad for the environment? Dang it. Okay, equal parts, maybe a little more. Did anyone else see the splash? Did it get on me? And then I also like some vanilla in my chai. I think it adds a little pizzazz. So I got this one. This is all from Target. And I thought I would just do a little, just like a tiny like splash. I was trying to take the label off with my teeth, and it tastes pretty good. Yay! That was cool ASMR. Let's do my penis straw. A happy Monday to ya. If you're not drinking your drinks out of a penis straw, what are you doing? Cheers. I always want to choose the camera, but I'm like, what if I break it? I'm adding more almond milk. Cheers again. No, we don't need to cheers again. We cheers. Now it's not enough. I put too much. I think it's too milky now. I also have my egg bites, and I'm afraid they're gonna fall. So that's breakfast. Yum! I'm just sitting here eating my egg bite and drinking out of my penis straw. I wanted to tell you guys that when I went to the gym this morning, there's always this dog there. The owner has this dog. What a good boy. Isn't he the cutest thing you've ever seen? I just thought I had to show you guys to make your day. Also, I wasn't gonna keep my hair like this, but I'm like, kind of cute. The way this morning is going is I meant to spray some perfume on me, and I grabbed my poopery, and I was just about to like spray it, and then I was like, oh no. Can you imagine? I smell like poopery all day. I was just on the phone with Abercrombie & Fitch customer service because they lost a package of mine, and they gave me a 20% off coupon code because I think the guy was very confused at what I was talking about. Love a coupon code. Now we're gonna go to class, filling up the hydro.
My friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along.
It is now lunchtime. I'm so excited to eat. Just got home from class. I actually met two like so nice subscribers. So if you guys are watching this, you made my day. Good luck in accounting. I just had the most interesting like conversation with my Uber too. If you guys don't know, I've talked about this before, but like I said, I normally take the bus, but it's broken, so they're like reimbursing our Ubers. I've been Ubering everywhere, which is so nice because the drop-off location is so much closer, so I can wear this outfit and not have a heat stroke. I will say I did sweat through this shirt, but no one could tell. There's 2 layers, so I only sweat through the first layer. Not not the one people can see. But I think I'm gonna make the salad that I make every day. It's just so good. I mean, I bought the ingredients for it, so of course I should make it. I wonder if my camera's been delivered. Amazon. Do you guys want me to do an Amazon favorites video? Because I have a lot of favorites. Please don't tell me they tried to deliver it. It's not delivered yet. I just want my new camera. That's all I want. I realized that I didn't have any tofu prepped. I normally put tofu in my salads just because like you can keep it longer than chicken. However, I forgot to make it, so I'm gonna meal prep it now. But I think I'm just gonna make a wrap. I love making this like buffalo chicken wrap. I'll show ya. Why has this video low-key just been like what I've been eating today? Tortilla. Normally I do like a low-carb tortilla just because they're like thinner. I don't love like a thick tortilla, but oh well. Cream cheese. Buffalo sauce. I don't put too much on it because I normally like dip it in the buffalo sauce as well. I don't want it to like get all over me. Normally I use chicken, but they ran out of chicken, so we're gonna use turkey. I hope this tastes good. I have no clue. I'm not starving, but I like need protein, you know? Bam, bam. Provolone cheese. We can only use it if I can get it open, and that's not looking so well. Ah, there we go. And then some shredded carrots. You can also add celery to this, but that's just not really my vibe. The carrots just add like a little crunch, you know? I'm very bad at rolling wraps. Fun fact. Okay. Well, that doesn't look fantastic, but I swear, well, actually, I don't know if it's gonna taste good with the turkey, but oh, it fell apart. Well, that's fun. Didn't turn out too great, but whatever. She's beauty. She's grace. She's Miss United States. No, I'm kidding. She's tofu. I don't really have that many school things that I need to get done today. I have some assignments that are due this week, but none of them have been given to me yet, if that makes any sense. I feel like my major, especially at this point in my life, it's not assignments, it's a bunch of group projects, and a lot of it is like nearing towards the end. You can obviously do like a few little things here and now in this time, but towards the end of the semester, I know I'm gonna be crazy busy. So I have some errands I need to run. I'm gonna go to the mall because I'm going out of town. I know this isn't technically an errand, but I'm going out of town. There's like some beeping. Can you stop? I'm trying to vlog. I'm going out of town and I don't really have any. Who is doing this? I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to the mall basically to get some clothes for when I go out of town. Guys, I'm so annoyed, and the air also has to be on. It's way too hot. I went to literally every single store in this mall, and I was gonna do like a fun like shop with me type thing when I found clothes. I did not find clothes in any store. I went to every single store in this like mini mall over here. That's annoying. Ugh. I'm trying to think of other stores, but I'm like the kind of stuff that I want to buy, they just wouldn't have. And I feel like I've already wasted my time. I've been striking out with online shopping and finding things like fit me right. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I might just have to online shop, and hopefully things will come in time, and hopefully they'll fit.
Take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other.
I am so mad. My camera, as if I haven't talked about it enough. I've been checking the Amazon app because I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I've been checking my Amazon app every single second. My screen time of just me checking my Amazon order like updates in the hours for today. I have a group project meeting at 6. My package gets delivered at 5:59, and I'm like, no. So I like asked my roommates, I'm like, will you please go get it? I email my leasing office. I'm like, I give them permission to pick up my package. They go and they're like, oh, it's not like updating the system. Like we have to like log every package. And I'm like, okay. I've been refreshing my email to see if this package was logged the entire time I was in the group meeting. My group meeting ended at 7:01. The leasing office closes at 7. It was still never logged. It was there for over an hour and it was never logged. And then I like run to the leasing office. I'm literally wearing slippers. That's how fast I'm running. And I get there, 7:03, something like that. The leasing office is locked, the lights are off, and I'm like, so I didn't get my camera today. I'm so upset about it. We're gonna make brownies. That's gonna be my coping mechanism of the night. Happy Tuesday. I got my camera. They still haven't logged it in, and I like went and I was like, I am so sorry, but like I cannot wait any longer for this package. Without further ado, the new camera for the vlog. I was gonna like do a drum roll on the box, but like I'm not about to drum roll a box of an expensive camera. Heck to the no. She's beautiful. She's beauty. She's, oh, I'll link these down below. I got a new camera and a new lens. I got the Canon M6 Mark II. I was gonna get the Canon M50. This one, I did a lot of research and this one seemed better, and I also like that this one had a flip up camera. The other one has like a flip out camera, which, and not to like say that I'm a narcissist, because I would like to think I'm not, but like right now I'm staring at myself. If I had a flip out camera, I'd be literally looking like this and it'd be so annoying, you know? Oh, it's so tiny. She's beautiful. beautiful. So this is just the body of it. I got a lens. I got the 11-22mm from Canon. I also saw that a lot of people had like 10-22, but I read that this one was just better. I don't know, I'm straying from the usual vlogger. It's so tiny. My lenses are normally double this size. I'm gonna put it on. And then I also got batteries for it because if you vlog, you need extra batteries. There's no way to get around that. Me trying to be super careful. Okay, it's not fitting. I know it will. I just don't want to break it. It's like brand new. She's heavy. She's a lot heavier. Oh wow, it was arm day today. I'm gonna switch out the memory card and we're gonna see if this is, I don't even know how to turn this camera on. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know if the battery is charged. I guess we'll see. Oh, what do you guys think? I can change the camera settings to get it to like the way I like it. I haven't done that yet, but oh my god. I also got my package from Abercrombie. The reason they didn't have it is because they put the wrong unit number on it. I bought 2 pairs of the exact same jeans to try on to see which one fits me better, and I'm gonna return the one that doesn't. I'll try it on later. Should I open my camera batteries? I know that's not exciting. I ate a lot of brownies last night, guys. I really like this camera. That's what I use. This was fun. I need to clean my room, but I don't want to. I have about a little bit less than an hour before I leave for class. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. I've had this for so long. It's literally, do you see how like everything's like falling off of it? Like it's falling apart. And I'll probably still use it for like a few things. Oh, my camera battery's dying, so I guess it doesn't come charged. So I'm gonna charge it, and then I'll see you guys when it's not dead. Cheers. I'm not about to hit the lens with this yet. Not there yet. Normally I carpool on Tuesdays and Thursdays with my roommate, but she's skipping class today, so I'm just gonna call an Uber because like I said, the bus still broken. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I literally hate it. Do you know how all those like cool girls on Pinterest wear like a baggy t-shirt and like mom jeans? Well, I'm trying to channel that energy and I just hate it, but like whatever, I'm just gonna wear it. I already put it on. I'm like, I don't care anymore. It makes me angry. And I'm gonna put like tall socks and like Nike Air Force Ones. I feel like I keep trying these outfits that all these like cool girls are like wearing on like TikTok, and I just like can't do it. You know what I want? If anyone knows a TikTok series like this, I see like cute things like, oh, this is styled outfits, but I want to know how you style them. I want to know how to tuck in a shirt to make it look cute. I want to know how to like flare my collar out on a button down. I want to know how to fold my socks and make them look cute. I see people like doing these cute things, but I'm like, can someone teach me how to do a proper French tuck? I don't know. I want it. I want to know. If anyone knows how to do any of these things, please make a series. Please send it to me. I'm trying so hard, but I just like can't get it down, you know?
Maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out.
Just got home from class. If you guys don't like the settings on this camera, keep in mind that I've had this camera since 2016, so I've had time to figure it all out. If this video sucks, it's okay. Next video might be better. Who knows? In 30 minutes, I have a Zoom meeting with an accountant. Anyone else think of that TikTok sound anytime anyone says, I'm an accountant? You know what I mean, right? I just really don't want to do this, and my mom said that she would join me on the Zoom call, and now she backed out last minute, and I'm like, Mom, we have to deal with that. I just kind of don't want to do it. I have things to do, actually. Maybe I should look at my to-do list and see what I have to do. Oh, no, yeah. I have to upload a video. Maybe I should just do that now. Today has been flying by for me, which, you know, I'm not like loving it. I'm feeling like I don't have time for anything, and I'm like slightly annoyed. I have this class and this professor is like, okay, do this, and I'm like, what do you mean? She's giving us no instruction or structure or like anything that makes any sense, and it's honestly making me angry because I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about. Today she gave us this prod and she's like, okay, everyone, you have 5 minutes to create a story and then you have to act it out in front of class. And I'm like, since when did I join an acting class? What are you talking about? What? I just got really frustrated in my last class, so yeah, now I'm just gonna be beep bopping until my Zoom meeting that's in 25 minutes. Beep boop bop bop.
We run out till we run out of paper and change. So tell me if I'm starting to think so bad.
Uploaded my video, did all the description stuff, did all the affiliate links, had a meeting with my accountant, or like someone I'm trying to hire to be my accountant, made 4 different thumbnails, and now my friend is about to pick me up and we're gonna go hang out at her place because I haven't seen her in a really long time. And normally when I like go to someone's apartment, I don't like vlogging because I don't want to bring their camera. I don't want to be like, hello world, this is where people live, woo, you know. Might see you tomorrow, might see you when I'm done with this, but I really like how my thumbnails turned out. I don't know which one I like the best. dress. These two were like almost identical, but kind of am leaning towards this one. But I think I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram so you guys can have a say in the thumbnails. Woo! I love this. I was never able to zoom like this on my old camera. It'd be like, it'd be like that, you know? So, yes. I'm having so much fun. I hope that you guys like this camera. I'm loving it. Also, I got my hair done last week if you guys watched that vlog, and every time I get my hair done, I'm like, who is she? She's a new person. I feel like a new woman. This video is actually so incredibly long, so I split it into 2 videos, so you guys will be seeing it soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you more than you know. I'll see you in my next video.